Kim Jong Un skillfully exploited Russia's vulnerabilities, securing financial and technological advantages while leaving Putin's reputation and strategy weakened. This alliance has reshaped regional power dynamics, signaling a potential shift in the global order. For more insights, subscribe to Eagle Discovery on YouTube. Kim Jong Un's strategic triumph over Putin. In June 2024, Kim Jong Un and Vladimir Putin's handshake symbolized an alliance against Western dominance. However, it was far from an equal partnership. For Kim, it was a calculated move to extract maximum advantage from Russia's growing desperation. Key concessions from Russia. Faced with crippling sanctions and massive losses in Ukraine, over 250,000 Russian soldiers injured or killed, Russia turned to North Korea for manpower. In return, Kim secured advanced military technology, including S-400 air defense systems and modern fighter jets, significantly upgrading North Korea's military capabilities. A propaganda win for North Korea. In North Korea, the partnership was framed as Kim guiding a weakened Putin, bolstering Kim's domestic image as a dominant global leader. State-controlled media amplified the symbolism of gestures, such as Kim escorting Putin to a waiting car, portraying it as a sign of North Korean superiority. Russia's decline in influence. For Russia, the deal highlighted its diminished standing. Once a superpower, Moscow now relied on Pyongyang's support, signaling a reversal of roles and showcasing how far it had fallen on the global stage. Meanwhile, Kim's strategic gains strengthened North Korea's position in East Asia and solidified its role as a key player in the emerging anti-Western bloc. Hey there, where are you from? I want to know which city you're watching our video from. Please leave a comment so we don't feel lonely. A small action like this will motivate us to make more videos. Thank you and much love to you. North Korea's tactical gains, a calculated advantage. Kim Jong Un's engagement with Russia during its period of international isolation demonstrated North Korea's ability to adapt its geopolitical strategy for maximum benefit. By aligning with a beleaguered Kremlin, Pyongyang not only gained valuable financial and military concessions, but also elevated its status on the world stage. Financial windfall and its strategic use. The €22 million monthly payment from Moscow for the deployment of 11,000 troops provided a much-needed infusion of hard currency into North Korea's struggling economy. Rather than channeling these funds directly to the troops, most of the money was absorbed into state coffers, reinforcing Kim Jong Un's control over the nation. This capital was used to sustain domestic propaganda efforts that glorified the regime, showcasing Kim's ability to secure substantial deals with a major global power. State media leveraged the partnership as a propaganda victory, portraying Kim as a leader capable of standing toe-to-toe with powerful nations. These narratives emphasized North Korea's strategic importance in global geopolitics, bolstering Kim's image as a visionary leader who could defy Western sanctions and influence the outcomes of international conflicts. Access to advanced military technology. One of the most significant outcomes of this partnership was North Korea's access to advanced Russian military technology. The transfer of precision-guided munitions, anti-aircraft systems, and surveillance equipment filled critical gaps in Pyongyang's arsenal, enhancing its long-term military capabilities. These advancements not only bolstered national defense, but also provided leverage in the region, potentially shifting the balance of power in East Asia. With Russia's support, North Korea was able to refine its missile systems and improve its reconnaissance capabilities, threatening both regional rivals and the broader international community. These gains underscored Kim's ability to extract tangible benefits from alliances, even with a partner as strategically compromised as Russia. A symbol of Russia's decline. For Russia, the alliance with North Korea was less a strategic coup and more a symbol of desperation. Once a dominant superpower, Russia now found itself dependent on an isolated and impoverished nation for manpower and political support. This dynamic revealed the extent of Russia's geopolitical decline, with Pyongyang dictating terms that would have been unthinkable in past decades. The optics of this relationship were particularly damaging for Moscow. The dependency on North Korea exposed cracks in Russia's global influence, contrasting sharply with Pyongyang's growing assertiveness. This imbalance highlighted a significant power shift, with North Korea reaping the benefits of Russia's weakened position. Challenges of North Korean troops, struggles on the battlefield. The deployment of North Korean troops to Ukraine, while initially perceived as a strategic move, quickly devolved into a logistical and operational quagmire. The realities of modern warfare and the harsh conditions of Ukraine's battlefields exposed significant deficiencies in the North Korean contingent, turning what was meant to be an asset into a liability for Moscow. Underprepared and ill-equipped. Many of the deployed North Korean troops lacked the training necessary to handle advanced weaponry or coordinate in complex combat scenarios. Their equipment was outdated, and their basic needs were neglected, with many soldiers arriving malnourished and underdressed for Ukraine's harsh winters. The lack of adequate winter clothing and medical supplies led to widespread illness, further undermining their effectiveness. Reports from the field described low morale among the troops, exacerbated by their inability to cope with the freezing temperatures and the grueling demands of the conflict. These challenges rendered them easy targets for Ukrainian forces, who quickly identified and exploited the weaknesses in their positions. Operational inefficiencies. The deployment also created significant coordination problems. The language barrier between North Korean troops and Russian commanders made communication difficult, leading to frequent misunderstandings and poorly executed operations. This lack of cohesion disrupted battlefield strategies, reducing the overall effectiveness of both Russian and North Korean forces. Intercepted communications revealed mounting frustrations among Russian military leaders, who lamented the inefficiency of their North Korean counterparts. Instead of bolstering Russia's war effort, the troops became a drain on resources, requiring additional logistical support that could have been allocated to more experienced units. A liability, not an asset. The deployment of North Korean troops also carried symbolic weight, undermining Russia's image as a global power. Rather than showcasing the strength of its alliances, the presence of poorly trained and ill-equipped foreign troops highlighted the Kremlin's growing desperation. This strategic misstep played into the hands of Ukraine and its allies, who used the North Korean deployment as a propaganda tool to emphasize Russia's vulnerabilities. The move emboldened Ukraine, prompting Western nations to provide even more advanced weaponry to counter Russian advances. Long-term consequences. In the end, the deployment of North Korean troops exposed critical weaknesses in Russia's military strategy and created additional burdens for an already strained war effort. For North Korea, the alliance may have brought financial and technological gains, but it also highlighted the regime's willingness to sacrifice its soldiers for propaganda victories. The challenges faced on the battlefield underscore the limitations of such partnerships, revealing the risks of relying on untrained forces in a modern conflict. Putin's dilemma and public perception, a fragile strategy. Vladimir Putin's alliance with North Korea, while framed as a defiant response to Western isolation, marked a critical juncture in Russia's geopolitical strategy. Publicly, the Kremlin touted the partnership as a symbol of resilience and ingenuity, signaling that Russia could forge meaningful alliances despite international sanctions. However, beneath this facade lay a far more complex and precarious reality. Eroding the strong leader image. For decades, Putin's political survival depended on his carefully cultivated image as a strong and strategic leader who could maintain Russia's power on the global stage. The 2024 Ipsos survey highlighted that 78% of Russians continued to support Putin based on this perception. However, the partnership with North Korea, a nation often mocked for its economic fragility and isolation, challenged this narrative. The optics of Russia, a former superpower relying on an impoverished and diplomatically isolated nation for support, weakened Putin's credibility among the public. Many Russians began to question whether this alliance symbolized strength or desperation. The perception that Putin had no choice but to turn to Pyongyang highlighted Russia's shrinking pool of allies and raised doubts about his long-term strategy. Economic strain and domestic discontent. The partnership with North Korea came at a time of mounting economic hardship for ordinary Russians. Years of Western sanctions, compounded by the ongoing costs of the war in Ukraine, had led to inflation, unemployment, and declining living standards. As frustration grew, so did public scrutiny of Putin's foreign policy decisions. The deal with North Korea, while bolstering Russia's manpower and military supplies, did little to alleviate the economic struggles faced by Russian citizens. Instead, it further highlighted the growing isolation of Russia on the global stage and the desperate measures the Kremlin was willing to take to sustain its war efforts. This disconnect between Putin's geopolitical ambitions and the realities faced by the Russian public risked alienating a key segment of his support base. Internal challenges and strategic risks. Kremlin insiders reportedly expressed concerns about the long-term implications of the North Korea partnership. While it provided short-term benefits, such as troops and advanced weaponry for Ukraine, it came at the cost of Russia's international image and strategic autonomy. For a leader whose reputation rested on projecting strength, aligning with a state like North Korea risked undermining Russia's credibility, not just at home but globally. Moreover, the alliance underscored the precarious state of Russia's military and economic position. Relying on North Korean troops, many of whom were poorly trained and ill-equipped, introduced operational challenges that further exposed Russia's vulnerabilities on the battlefield. This reliance also highlighted how far Russia's strategic options had dwindled since the start of the war. Balancing public perception and reality. Putin's challenge was not just external, but also deeply rooted in managing domestic perception. While the Kremlin sought to frame the alliance as a bold move, the public's growing skepticism about the partnership made this narrative increasingly difficult to sustain. The fragile balance between projecting strength and addressing Russia's domestic and international struggles became more challenging with each passing month. Any further strategic missteps, whether in the Ukraine war or in alliances like the one with North Korea, risked intensifying domestic discontent and destabilizing Putin's grip on power at a time when he could least afford instability. Impact on the Ukraine war tactical missteps. The deployment of North Korean troops to Ukraine was initially portrayed by Moscow as a strategic move to bolster its waning military capacity. However, the reality on the ground exposed significant tactical and logistical miscalculations, leading to outcomes that arguably weakened Russia's overall position in the conflict. Untrained troops, devastating consequences. Despite their numbers, North Korean troops were ill-prepared for the complexities of modern warfare. Many had minimal exposure to contemporary military tactics, relying instead on outdated doctrines unsuitable for a technologically advanced battlefield. Ukrainian forces, equipped with cutting-edge Western surveillance drones and precision-guided weapons, identified and systematically exploited the vulnerabilities of these units. Poorly defended North Korean positions became prime targets for long-range missile strikes and special operations. These weaknesses also demoralized Russian units working alongside the North Koreans. Russian commanders, accustomed to more experienced reinforcements, grew increasingly frustrated with the inefficiency of their new allies. Intercepted communications revealed discontent among military leaders, who criticized the operational burden of managing undertrained troops with significant language and cultural barriers. A propaganda tool for Ukraine. The deployment backfired not only militarily, but also in terms of international perception. Ukrainian officials used the presence of North Korean troops as a propaganda tool, emphasizing Russia's desperation in turning to one of the world's most isolated and impoverished nations for reinforcements. Images of malnourished and inadequately equipped North Korean soldiers circulated widely, contrasting starkly with Ukraine's well-trained and motivated forces. This narrative bolstered Ukraine's international support, strengthening its case for more advanced weaponry. Western nations, viewing Russia's reliance on North Korean troops as a sign of vulnerability, accelerated their delivery of tanks, long-range missiles, and air defense systems. As a result, Ukraine gained not only a tactical advantage, but also renewed political momentum on the global stage. A strain on Russia's military machine. Logistically, the North Korean presence became a liability for Russia. Supplying and integrating foreign troops placed additional demands on already strained resources. Food shortages, inadequate equipment, and poor living conditions among the North Koreans disrupted the overall cohesion of Russian military operations. This diversion of resources weakened frontline operations, forcing Russia to adapt to an increasingly challenging battlefield. In the end, what was meant to be a show of unity between Russia and North Korea instead exposed deep strategic flaws. The reliance on ill-equipped troops did little to shift the war's trajectory, and instead highlighted Russia's growing desperation and declining ability to sustain a prolonged conflict. Global repercussions and the Eastern Bloc, a shifting power dynamic. The Russia-North Korea alliance has implications far beyond the battlefield, signaling a potential realignment of global power structures. While the partnership itself is limited in scope, its broader impact has reverberated through global politics, particularly in East Asia and the post-Cold War power blocs. China's role in the shadows. China, though officially uninvolved, has emerged as a silent player in this evolving geopolitical game. Beijing stands to benefit from a weakened and increasingly dependent Russia, as well as a North Korea strengthened by Russian military technology. This alignment serves China's interests by creating additional challenges for Western alliances without requiring Beijing's direct involvement. Escalating tensions in East Asia. In East Asia, the Russia-North Korea partnership has heightened fears of regional instability. South Korea and Japan, both close allies of the United States, view the transfer of advanced Russian military technology to Pyongyang as a significant threat. In response, both nations have announced record increases in their defense budgets, focusing on missile defense systems, surveillance capabilities, and rapid response forces. This arms race has also spurred greater military cooperation between South Korea, Japan, and the United States. Joint military exercises have intensified, sending a clear message to North Korea and its allies. The prospect of a more assertive North Korea, equipped with advanced Russian technology, has fundamentally altered the strategic calculus in East Asia, raising the stakes for all parties involved. A prolonged struggle for influence. As this new axis of power takes shape, the world faces a prolonged struggle for dominance between competing blocs. The Russia-North Korea partnership, while limited in immediate impact, serves as a symbol of the broader realignments occurring in global politics. Nations must now navigate a more complex and volatile international landscape, where alliances are constantly shifting and power dynamics remain in flux. In this context, the Russia-North Korea partnership is both a symptom and a catalyst of these changes, offering a glimpse into the challenges that lie ahead for the global order. A new world order? Is this the beginning of a new Eastern Bloc challenging Western dominance? Or will internal tensions and external pressures unravel the alliance? The answers to these questions will shape the future of international security in the years to come. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which country you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.